Good morning. Myself Yashasvi Pujari. Register number UR16CH290. So today we are going to discuss about address calculation in 1D, 2D and 3D array. So we'll start with 1D array. First of all, as a basic C++ program, we are calling the header file, input output stream. Then we are calling a standard library. Now going to the main function. First of all, we are declaring an array of name array of size 5, that is a 1D array. Now we are giving an output to call, input the values of an array. So we are using for loop here to reduce our time and number of steps in any program. So we are entering the array using for loop. After this, we are displaying the array along with its address using a pointer variable. As we all know that the name of array itself shows the address. So we are using the array name along with asterisk symbol to show the value stored in that address, and using the name for showing the address of the array. We are going to run the program now. Suppose our inputs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here are the address. As it is an integer, we are getting it with a gap of 4. So we'll go for 2D array now. In two-dimensional array, we get two things, that is row and column. So as 1D array, we are initializing but with two things, that is row and column size. We are entering the inputs using two for loops having the name of the array marks. Now when it comes on displaying the elements and address in two-dimensional array, first of all we are using asterisk symbol to give the address, which we can get it very easily. Like we are giving the ampersand symbol before the name of the array so that we can get the address of that particular element. After this, for row major and column major, for row major we are taking the base address, that is name of the array, along with the number of row we are calculating into number of elements in column plus number of columns. This will get the address of a particular element in row major. Same logic we follow for column major, but the thing is, we'll replace row by columns and columns by row. That is the base address plus number of row we are calculating, number of column we are calculating, into the number of elements in a row plus number of rows. We are going to run the program. Suppose our inputs are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here are the address, the main address as column major and as row major. Now moving towards 3D array. 2D and 3D are mostly same. The thing is we are adding one more dimensional, we are naming it as set. So we are giving input for the array. Now for calculation of address, same here, we are using the ampersand symbol for the main address, and for row major we are using base address plus number of set into size of row and column plus number of column into size of row plus number of rows. This is for column major. For row major, base address plus number of sets we are going to calculate into size of row, size of column plus number of row into size of column plus number of columns. So we are going to run the program. Suppose our elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we can see here the main address, the column major address and the row major address. So this is how we calculate address in 1D, 2D and 3D array. Thank you.